Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to fix MyQ Garage app is not working. So if you're having issues with this app, the first thing that you need to try is to restart the app. So first quit the app, and then you need to hold it and go to app info, and from here you need to force stop the app. After that, try to open it again and see if the problem is still there. So if it's still there, try to change the network from Wi-Fi to hotspot or vice versa. If this still doesn't work with you, go to Google Play and see if the app have any updates. Search for the app and see if there's any update button from here. If there's not, try to open the app settings from the app info again and go to the storage and cache and click on clear cache. After that, if there's still any problem with the app, just uninstall it and reinstall it again, and any corrupted file in the app may be fixed right now. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.